Print-on-demand (POD) companies are sites that facilitate the printing and shipping of custom products without requiring businesses to hold any inventory. They provide a convenient and cost-effective solution for individuals and businesses to create and sell personalized products without the upfront costs of printing and storage. These companies offer a low-risk entry point for you to create and sell customized products such as apparel, home decor, printed books, and other printed products. You can use their services to launch your own online store with custom merchandise, start your own clothing line with no startup capital, monetize your social media with unique products, or even expand your existing businesses by offering new product lines for free. All you need to do is create eye-catching designs, configure your products, and sell them online, while the print-on-demand company will take care of the printing, packaging, shipping, inventory, and order fulfillment worldwide. Although the best print-on-demand companies often share some core functionalities, they also offer differences in their production quality, customization options, and shipping speeds. Hence, choosing the right print-on-demand company for your business is essential, especially when you're looking to find the ideal fit for your unique business needs. This is why we assessed the top 5 print-on-demand companies, based on their best features like their quality of prints, product variety, order management, operational flexibility, and real-time customer feedback. We will also provide you with the best, most trusted, and most affordable printing facility that will help you design eye-catching and high-quality graphics for your prints, and also provide you with printed ready-made products without any upfront or inventory cost. So, stick with us until the end of the video to uncover the best 5 free print-on-demand companies that are tailored differently according to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to work with any of these companies for free. Without further ado, here are the top 5 print-on-demand companies currently available. Number 5. Printed Mint. Best print-on-demand company with the best product packaging. When you choose Printed Mint as your print-on-demand partner, you're selecting more than just high-quality products. You're investing in an experience, beautifully curated down to the packaging. Known for its eco-friendly packaging, Printed Mint transforms every order into a memorable unboxing moment. Their packaging isn't merely protective, it's part of the brand experience. From chic floral designs to minimalist, eco-friendly options, Printed Mint's packaging consistently adds a touch of elegance that appeals to both boutique business owners and direct-to-customer brands looking to make a long-lasting impression with their products. Imagine sending a candle in a sophisticated patterned box that looks like it came straight from a high-end retailer. Printed Mint provides an unboxing experience that becomes a reflection of your brand's value, especially for customers who appreciate premium aesthetics. For instance, Printed Mint's mug packaging includes snug-fit inserts that keep the product safe during transit, ensuring that each piece arrives in perfect condition. This minimizes the risk of damage and also adds a level of charm and elegance to every delivery, making your customers feel value with every order. Additionally, Printed Mint's beautifully crafted packaging is highly customizable, which allows you to add branding elements unique to your business, such as personalized labels, tissue papers, and branded stickers. For instance, if you're selling custom blankets, the product arrives wrapped delicately in branded tissue, providing an extra layer of luxury that customers notice and appreciate. In a market where unboxing experiences are becoming an integral part of marketing and customer retention, Printed Mint offers a significant edge. This dedication to presentation elevates your brand's image and gives you an extra point of differentiation, helping you stand out and leave a lasting impression on your customers. Number 4. Contrado. Best print-on-demand company with the best product quality. Choosing Contrado as your print-on-demand provider means opting for a platform that prioritizes superior craftsmanship and durability, especially if you're aiming to deliver premium products to discerning customers. Contrado's commitment to high-end product quality is evident across its extensive catalog, which includes a variety of unique items, from clothing and accessories to home decor. Each product is produced in-house at their London facility, where they carefully monitor the materials and manufacturing processes to ensure that each item meets high-quality standards. This attention to detail helps establish your brand as one that values quality, especially to customers who are willing to invest in products with lasting value. One of the standout product categories that showcase Contrado's quality is its apparel line, particularly with items like custom silk scarves, bomber jackets, and leather handbags. These products are made using premium materials and printing techniques, resulting in rich colors, intricate patterns, and durable stitching that exudes luxury. For example, the silk scarves are crafted with a smooth, high-quality fabric that feels light yet luxurious, making it ideal for customers seeking fashionable statement pieces. Contrado's high-end quality is also reflected in their home decor offerings, such as custom cushions, bedding, and canvas prints. Each item is made with high-grade fabrics and inks, ensuring vibrant prints that retain their appeal over time. Whether you're offering personalized cushions for a cozy aesthetic or bold wall art that serves as a centerpiece, Contrado's quality ensures these products feel bespoke and substantial. Number 3. CustomCat, best print-on-demand company with the largest product catalog. When you work with CustomCat as your print-on-demand partner, you're gaining access to one of the largest and most diverse product catalogs available in the industry, with over 550 unique items across multiple categories. CustomCat empowers you to cater to a wide variety of customer interests and preferences, helping you create a comprehensive and appealing product line. From classic apparel and accessories to home goods and sports gear, CustomCat allows you to experiment with different product types and find the perfect fit for your brand. This extensive catalog gives you the flexibility to continuously refresh your offerings and attract a broad audience without needing to switch providers. For instance, CustomCat's vast apparel selection features essentials like t-shirts, hoodies, and leggings, as well as specialty items like athletic wear and outerwear. This ability to appeal to different demographics simplifies and unifies inventory management, while keeping your customers engaged with fresh, varied offerings. Beyond apparel, CustomCat's catalog extends to items like drinkware, accessories, and home decor, making it easy to add non-apparel products to your store as well. Their drinkware category alone includes everything from standard coffee mugs to insulated tumblers and stainless steel water bottles, which is perfect if you're targeting eco-conscious consumers or promoting a lifestyle-oriented brand. You can also offer custom home decor items like throw pillows and blankets, giving your customers the opportunity to personalize their living spaces with unique designs. CustomCat's large product catalog lets you diversify your store without sacrificing quality, packaging, or control, providing a one-stop solution to grow and adapt your business while meeting a broad array of customer needs. Number 2. Printify, best print-on-demand company with the best pricing and supplier variety. Printify has quickly become a prominent choice for print-on-demand services, particularly because of its competitive pricing and broad range of suppliers. As a Printify user, you will appreciate the flexibility Printify offers with its competitive pricing model, which allows you to select from a wide range of suppliers, each offering unique pricing based on factors like print quality, product type, and shipping costs. With hundreds of suppliers globally, Printify allows you to choose from a massive catalog, including everything from t-shirts and hoodies to home decor items like mugs, pillows, and even pet accessories. For example, if you're creating a clothing line, you can select from multiple suppliers offering a range of prices and quality levels. This variety allows you to experiment and adjust your product offerings based on the demands of your specific audience without needing to switch platforms. Additionally, Printify's supplier network gives you the flexibility to reduce shipping costs and improve delivery times by selecting suppliers closer to your target audience. This versatility ultimately strengthens your brand's appeal, as you can provide a range of options that cater to different preferences and budgets, all from a single platform. Number 1. Printful, best print-on-demand company with the best branding option. Printful has solidified its place as a top choice among print-on-demand platforms, particularly for its exceptional branding options, which provide edge in building a cohesive, professional brand. With Printful, you're not limited to standard, generic packaging and product options. Instead, you can add custom branding to many aspects of your products, including labels, packaging inserts, and even embroidery. This level of personalization enhances your brand's perceived value and creates a memorable unboxing experience for your customers. Whether you're building a new brand or scaling an existing one, Printful gives you control over how your products are presented. allowing you to establish a distinctive and consistent brand identity. One standout aspect of Printful's branding options is the ability to customize products through unique features like inside and outside labels, embroidery, and custom tags. For instance, if you're selling apparel such as t-shirts, hoodies, or hats, you can create a more polished, professional look by adding your logo as an inside label or as embroidery on the front. This type of branding isn't just about aesthetics. It also reassures customers that your products are of high quality, making them feel as though they're purchasing from an established brand rather than a generic store. Beyond apparel, Printful's branding extends to other products, from wall art and home decor to accessories like tote bags and phone cases. For example, if you decide to expand your catalog with branded items like embroidered backpacks or custom-designed mugs, Printful's packaging options such as branded packing slips and personalized thank you notes allow you to keep your branding cohesive across all product categories. This consistency is key to leaving a lasting impression, making your products memorable even after delivery. In addition, if you are unsure of the right design or don't even have any design experience, Printed.com is a top-tier printing facility that offers high-quality design and printing services, in addition to other services rendered by print-on-demand companies. Perfect for individuals with little to no design expertise and limited time. Printed.com is built to make the process of ordering printed products as simple and efficient as possible. With Printed.com, you'll find a wealth of designs and print options tailored to your needs, all created by professional graphic designers and printing experts. From classic business essentials like business cards, brochures, and letterheads, to specialty items such as presentation folders, invitations, and note cards, Printed.com offers you a vast variety of products. You can also explore more creative options like personalized posters, wall art, photo books, stickers, and even premium print options like metallic foiling, embossing, and spot UV finishes, giving you access to the same high-end printing techniques used by design professionals. No matter your project, Printed.com guides you through a straightforward, hassle-free design and ordering process, so you don't need to worry about any technical or aesthetic detail. In conclusion, the right print-on-demand company for your business is the one that is tailored to suit your specific business needs and challenges. Each of these print-on-demand sites mentioned caters to a wide range of needs and preferences to help achieve your business goals. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these print-on-demand companies for free and get access to premium tools that will help improve your business. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.